Hey chickies, welcome back to Vlogtober day 30. Per your request, today's video is going to be an unboxing / review on a fairly new product that I think is super adorable. Have high hopes that this product works out. From the brand Impressions Vanity for Hello Kitty, it is essentially an LED rechargeable mirror. If you're new here, I'm Christine. I'm currently participating in Vlogtober. I'm uploading a video every single day for the month of October, which I can't believe we're almost to the end of October. I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So first and foremost, I gotta give a huge shout out and special thank you to Angelica about something pretty here on YouTube. She was so sweet and kind to DM me on Instagram. If you haven't checked out her channel, definitely check it out. I'm gonna link it up here in the card area. I think I've known her since almost the beginning of my YouTube journey. She's super sweet and I think you will enjoy her content. In today's video, we're going to unbox this together, assemble it, and see how it works for me when I apply my makeup, give you the rundown, what I like, what I don't like, and then I'll also give you my final thoughts on the product if it's worth the price point. Speaking of price point, this retails for $99. It essentially also has a wireless charging pad, soft touch sensor dimmer switch, ultra bright daylight LED lighting, and it's also rechargeable for cordless use. So it has a ton of great multi-purposes. So let's actually open this together. I mean, the packaging, come on, it's Hello Kitty. We have the quick start instructions. Ooh, this is a really cute box. Oh, this is nice. They have an Impressions Vanity Hello Kitty cleaning cloth for the mirror. Unbox the actual mirror because that I think is what we really want to see here. So this is what we can expect. I mean, it's Hello Kitty's face, which I think is super adorable. I'm not gonna lie, that's like what really drew me into this mirror, even for the price point. It's because it's her face shape. We also have here a stand. I like the color scheme. It's rose gold. Okay. All right. And then it also comes with 2 micro USB charging cables. Let's actually attach this. Ooh, that's really simple. It's magnetic. So when we want to detach it, we just pull it apart. That's actually really convenient, and I like how everything just kind of folds up like this if you want to use it for travel. So this actually swivels 360 degrees, which I think is a great thing. Also bend it forward. Can you bend it backwards? No, you cannot. So right here behind the mirror is where you would plug in the micro USB to charge the physical mirror. Right here is where you would plug in the other micro USB to charge the wireless charger. So none of us here at home have any of the phones that can charge wirelessly. So this is something I'm not going to be able to test out. So let's see if this is even working. Ooh. Wow, that's at its brightest. Let's dim it all the way down. That's at the dimmest. And that's not even fully charged. We're gonna fully charge up the mirror. I'm gonna apply my makeup and then I'll be back for my final thoughts.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut no worries.
Alright chickies, so I applied my makeup and was really able to play around with the makeup mirror and form a solid opinion about it. So I'll give you the good and also the bad as well as my overall thoughts. Just keep in mind that I wasn't able to test out the whole wireless charging station at the bottom of the stand because I don't have a phone that has a wireless charger. So I went ahead and let the mirror fully charge. It actually turned blue. Unplugged it and I just went ahead and started applying my makeup. A couple things I really love about it. Number one is that it's actually a bright LED daylight light. so it doesn't give you that yellow cast. It's also really nice because since it is touch sensitive, if you just tap it, you can turn it on and off, and if you hold it down, this can either decrease the light and you can also increase it, and it does get quite bright. Really appreciate how this is a rechargeable battery. It actually says that with an average lifespan of 50,000 hours, no more worrying about replacing light bulbs, which I think is also a really cool feature. On the whole, how long one charge will last, I can't really give you feedback on that, just because this is an unboxing and like a review right away after just kind of using the product. Another thing I noticed about the mirror is that it doesn't have a distorted image. What you see in the mirror is exactly what you see in real life, so there's no distortion. It would have been nice though if they included a little small magnification, say if you want to get like detail and like get up close and personal, you know, so you can kind of suction it on, say if it was in the shape of a bow or something. I thought that would be pretty cool, but this is just the standard mirror. Another thing I really like about this is that you can actually move the mirror in all different types of directions. It's also very easy just to kind of pull it off because it is magnetic, and you can just store it just like this if you're going to be traveling. So it is very travel friendly. I was using the mirror for about an hour and 10 minutes. I didn't have it set to its full capacity. It was a little bit dimmer than that, but I didn't have a problem with it even slightly dimming at all, which sometimes I notice with some LED mirrors it can tend to do that, but the light was steady. Really appreciate how well lit my face was when I was applying my makeup, because it is very bright. Even though it does have a Hello Kitty's face, like the outline of her face with the bow, it wasn't distracting when I was applying my makeup. That's just my personal preference because I'm a huge Hello Kitty fan. Love like the rose gold touch that they have at the very bottom of the stand, also at the back. Now on the flip side of that, the biggest downfall in my opinion about this makeup mirror, and believe me when I tell you this, it really pains me to say this because I absolutely adore and love anything Hello Kitty, would be the actual quality of the mirror. Now when I say that, I'm not really talking about the mirror itself or the lighting, because the lighting is perfect. The mirror is spot on, but what the mirror is made of, it's made of plastic. So the mirror is plastic, this little stand is plastic, and the base. And to be honest with you, it just doesn't feel like it's really heavy-duty quality. As much as I love anything Hello Kitty, I can't justify keeping this for the price point of $99 because the quality itself just doesn't feel solid. So unfortunately, this is going to be a pass for me. What did you think of it? Is this a product that you're thinking about purchasing? Will you be passing on this? I would really love to get your feedback. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. I would love for you to be a part of the Chicky crew. Make sure you come back tomorrow for Vlogtober day 31. I can't believe it. We are one day away. Thank you, Chicky, so much for watching. Have an amazing day, and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new video.